Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and wait until you see this thing. This Grand Cherokee is equipped exactly how I would personally want it equipped. You're going to get your fog lamps there. It, of course, is in my personal favorite color, that blue. I absolutely love that blue. You're going to get your premium alloy wheels there. This one does have your proximity key, which touch that button to lock and unlock it. You do have both of your proximity keys here. If you don't know how proximity keys work, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and check and see how proximity key works. This thing is very clean inside. You do have power seats on your driver's side, or on your passenger side, which is really nice. You don't see that very often. You do have your power lift gate, which is awesome, especially if you're coming out with groceries or whatnot. You can just simply push the button and get that to open up. You do have a ton of space in here. You got your privacy shade right there, factory subwoofer there, and tons of room there. Your seats do lay at a 60-40 split. Make sure you go to citymotors.net and check out my full pictorial of that. I have every seat configuration laid out there. You do get your factory tow package, which is awesome. And again, that thing, just a push of a button and you can shut that door. Back seats, you can see you are going to have a ton of space. Now I have those front seats pulled back, and still look at the room you get with that. You do have a option to recline those seats. You can see I have that seat reclined just a little bit for the comfort of your rear seat passengers. You talk about a comfortable ride on a long trip, this is the one. Back here you're going to get your power outlet there, which is really nice. You do have these little hooks here. That's for grocery bags. You can set them right there and hold them. Really nice feature. I absolutely love that. And you also do get your hard plastic back here. That's going to protect that, so if you have your kiddos in the back and they're kicking that back seat, you're going to protect that somewhat. Very important. All your power options there. Of course, power driver seat, just like your passenger side do. You're going to have your fog lamps there. Of course, your Bluetooth and duplicate audio controls, cruise control, premium audio with a HDD 28 gig hard drive built in, and navigation, and of course Bluetooth, dual climate control with heated seats, automatic transmission with the Tiptronic feature. That's going to allow you to shift up and down as you choose. Really convenient going across the mountain. Again, like and subscribe this video. Go to my YouTube channel and watch my tutorial section on Tiptronic transmissions. Very informative there. You can open and close your sunroof there, as well as your power lift gate. You can open and close from right there as well. Again, very clean, very well equipped. Very well equipped. This thing is as perfect as you're going to find. Tons of service records on your Carfax report. Very well maintained. Virginia owned its entire life, which means it's not coming from, I'm not going to mention them, but you know who you are, those states with the really high salt use that everyone tends to avoid because we know what their vehicles look like after time. Just way too much salt, way too much junk on the roads up there. Don't have to worry about this. Virginia owned its entire life. Very clean, very well maintained, perfect color, perfect options, and we're going to give you a 6-month 7,500 mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. If you're out of the area and you're concerned about buying from a dealer, 1, you should be. 2, not here, because you do get that coast to coast warranty. 6 months, 7,500 miles with roadside assistance. No fears, you can buy here. Also, watch those processing fees. A lot of dealers are putting out lower prices, but then tacking on huge fees on the back end that you're not aware of and they're not disclosing to you up front. Pretty slimy. Don't fall for that. No fees here. I recently purchased a new motorcycle, went to 3 different dealerships before I found the one that wasn't trying to slip in tons of fees. I'm talking $700, $900. ridiculous stuff. Don't pay those stupid fees. It's fees for nothing. Don't do that. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text us 24/7, but whatever you do, do it quickly. I normally stock over 50 cars here. Where are they at? We're selling them as quick as we can get them in. Don't miss this one, guys. I'm telling you, awesome deal, awesome truck. Get here soon. Hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.